We woke up at our last campsite and it was very, very cold. For our last night we camped at Pioneer Dam. This is an old railway dam that was built to support the steam trains that used to run to Norseman from Coolgardie. In its day it was the most expensive railway dam of its kind ever built. For the first time we tossed a line in to check how deep it is. There looked to be about 4 or 5 metres of water at the bottom of the dam, so I estimate that in total it was probably about 20 metres deep. None of our trips ever goes without having some damage, but Stephen discovered he had a flat tyre on the way home and a quick stop was made to repair it.